Ian and have to throw this big spread, I would have been happy with Dell's lemonade. So, when I got the email that I was being inducted, asked how long the speech, nobody really gave me a good answer, so I'm going to heed this advice. A good speech is like a woman's skirt. Should be long enough to cover the subject, but short enough to create interest. Hopefully, it happens. Sure, so a lot of the things that I would say have already been stated. Stephanie mentioned when she was a young athlete, we all came through the same way. Little League, I was on Zengas. East Greenwich Soccer Association, lucky enough to go to Niagara Falls, win a regional championship representing our town and our state. East Greenwich Recreation Basketball, Frank Johnson, a coach for a year. Hershey Track and Field Meet, through the Recreation Department by a guy named Dean Swanson. But I was also an avid reader of the newspaper. I like to read the Providence Journal. In fact, I majored in journalism in college because of that. So I would read the paper religiously every single day, especially the sports section. And I tried to keep up on East Greenwich sports even when I was a little kid. I would read about a guy by the name of Paul or Gary Burns on the soccer team, Lou Walton. I would go to their games. Football, my sister was a classmate with a guy named Mayor Judkins, never met him. Jack Sinnigan, mowed our lawn, member of the Hall of Fame. Track and field, Mark Maloney. And basketball. Basketball was tough to watch when I was a kid. I would go to a lot of games, the teams would struggle. I'd watch guys play. And even though they would struggle, I'd watch a guy like Dave Baughman play, and he would serve as a role model to me because I would see them struggle. I knew he was a good player. And I said, I don't want to have to go through that when I get to high school. I want to have a little bit of success because I know you deserved it. Those are some of the memories. Then I got into school and it was my turn. Starting in junior high, then I went through high school, freshman football and basketball, dropped baseball, became a thrower. And one thing led to another. It was practice. Practice, it was cold in the spring. Throwing, javelin, shot put, very unglamorous. I would go down to Eldridge Courts, shoot basketball, go to Frenchtown Courts, shoot basketball, and then it was on to college to compete with the University of Illinois, a huge thrill. So the 80s and 90s provided great opportunity for me to live out a dream. Okay, 2 years ago, I lived another part of that dream. My state championship basketball team, we had our 25th reunion. I organized that, and that was probably just as big a thrill as actually winning the championship itself. Today is another chapter in me living that dream. How did I get here? Well, I was born big, athletic and competitive, but that's really only half the story. It's the people who got me here. So some thank yous are due. First to the Hall of Fame committee for selecting me and honoring me. Guy, Jeff, Chris, the rest of the committee, thank you. I want to thank my coaches. I'm going to ask those that are here to stand up. Conrad Swanson, Donnie Bowen, Ed DiCasino, Carlo Roberti. I had great coaches. Not only did they know the game, but they cared about us as individuals. They were great communicators, and they made you want to play for them. Great leaders, great role models. Lucky to play for coaches like that. My friends, Sue Cameron, stand. I have friends that are beautiful, they're intense, they're great leaders, and they care about you. She's part of what I think is the first family of East Greenwich. If you don't know the Cameron family, one, you haven't lived here very long, or two, you're not involved in athletics. Next, my teammates. Greg Winsper, stand. Not only teammates, but a friend. To go to practice, to shoot hoops in the driveway, go to games, whether it was at Fairfield or Holy Cross or down to Keeney Gym to root on the Rams. We shared a vision together, we had joy together, and we got to live our dream together. to win a championship. And then my family, my parents, Fred and Elaine, stand. Their love, their support, the rides, the meals, that's Mom, for letting me be me, and knowing when to say something, and sometimes when not to say something, to me and to the coaches. Thank you. In my current family, Rachel, Jared, Evan, please stand. My dream for them is to have my boys have the same level of fun, reward, and how athletics made me a better person, not just a better athlete. That's what I'm working towards every single day. You may get an off day from being an athlete, but you never have an off day from being a parent. And that's what I wake up every single day. You guys are my true love. Lastly, Yogi Berra once said, I want to thank everyone who made this day necessary. I want to thank you for not snoring during my speech, too. But lastly, congratulations to all the other honorees. I'm honored and humbled to be part of the East Greenwich Athletics Hall of Fame. Congrats to all the other inductees. And although I live halfway across the country outside of Chicago, thank you for allowing me to be a part of this special community. I will always call home East Greenwich. Thank you.